The ability to quickly identify switchyard assets that overheat or wear down due to thermal stress, otherwise known as hotspots, is one of the key challenges of substation maintenance. Traditional substation monitoring uses handheld thermal imaging cameras. Handling multiple equipment is cumbersome and time-consuming, and leads to inaccuracies and safety risks for assets and field crew. This type of inspection has the potential to miss warning signs of impending failure. Utilities must therefore replace these methods with easier, efficient, accurate, and safer methods for substation switchyard inspections. Capgemini's Energy Transition and Utilities Industry platform has developed a unique solution for real-time monitoring, combining edge visualization, analytics, and analysis in a hands-free augmented solution. The solution uses Edge AI workloads to collect and analyze data to deliver real-time insights at the edge. A visual thermal camera mounted on a field engineer safety helmet leverages deep machine learning to identify hotspots and stream real-time analysis information through AR/VR glasses to the field engineer. The solution improves the reliability of substation systems through proactive asset management and has a direct impact on utility revenue, efficiency, regulatory, and service commitments. The key differentiator of our solution is its seamless integration with transmission utility applications such as enterprise asset management and GIS. Our solution uses digital remote assistance for communication between the field crew and remote supervisors who provide instructions through a virtual telepresence. The solution is integrated with SCADA and OMS for operations management, data analytics, and fault event response. Our solution scales using 5G-enabled image analytics and can be further enhanced to monitor water and gas utility infrastructures. The solution provides better situational awareness, quicker defect identification and fault resolution, predictive maintenance, improved asset reliability and availability, compliance with health, safety, and regulatory standards, HSE, ATEX, ISO 45000, and sustainability by extending asset life, reducing unplanned downtime, and using resources efficiently by ensuring optimum system availability.